If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. Welcome back everyone, I'm finally back with another Bitcoin update. It's been heavily requested by many of you over the past few weeks. I just haven't been able to get some Bitcoin updates because there are just so many altcoins that we have to cover absolutely every day. There's not enough time for me to get a Bitcoin video out, but I do weekly group calls in my chat on Tuesdays and Thursdays where we analyze Bitcoin in there. And in the last Tuesday on the 14th of November, we said that Bitcoin must pump over here in our group call, and we saw the pump that reclaimed the moving averages. We then came back below, but as we do group calls 2 days later on the Thursday, which we were at this point down here during my live call, I said that Bitcoin needs to reclaim the moving averages to get this bullish continuation. So it's done that. So if you want the constant TA on Bitcoin, join my Discord community, links down below. And yeah, I hope to see more of you joining there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and we'll dive into this Bitcoin update. We can see that, yes, it protected the golden pocket down here, something that I mentioned Tuesday the 14th in my Discord community during the live calls. And in order to continue up eventually to this 38, let's just call it 39, 40k target up here, you need to maintain above the golden pocket, simply because when we were coming down over here, we were retracing back up into the golden pocket. We're actually looking for continuation lower. And this was a point when we came down to the 55 where I saw a bullish signal such as a bullish divergence enter the trade off the 55 for a trade into the golden pocket. Then on a Tuesday, I think it was a few weeks back, so Tuesday the 7th, we were somewhere around here. I was telling everyone in the Discord group live that we were going to come down into this area and that we were looking for bullish divergences on the lower time frames right over here, as we've now invalidated the downside by catching support here, breaking through. And if bullish divergences, bullish signals can appear right over here where we were previously getting rejected as resistance but now support, then this would be your point of entry. And that was called out in the Discord community. I was saying that there's loads of bullish divergences appearing on the lower time frames, and that allowed me to enter a trade from down here all the way to the 1414. Now we can see that it continued, but we roughly stayed around the 1618 area. Yes, we continued, had a nice pump, but the closes were in and around this area, so realistically just one level above. Then we started to see the reversal, and clearly we did not meet the final targets. And so with that, we're looking to invalidate these targets, and the only way to do so is by losing the level that made us bullish over here. So when we came down to there was a high risk, but as it was during a group call, which we were down here, I just maintained calm in the community in the live call and essentially said that as long as we maintain above this area, we should see a reclaim of the moving averages and eventual push to these targets. But you can see very clearly over here, we did not get a close above that wick. That's what we need to do to get to this continuation to 38, 39 and 40k. Please do understand this. It needs to see a daily candle, a 4-hour candle close above 38,000 psychological level. As we fail to close a bit above that point, this is what's led to another dump. But as long as you're protecting this, and my last live call on Thursday, we were exactly down there. Then we can see this would be considered a higher low, higher than this low. This was the low that we must stay above at all costs to get to those targets. And as we put in a higher low, as I suggested in that live call, we just need to confirm the moving averages and start this journey back up. And that's why we've been saying that alts were going to continue up over the past few days in the last week. So we're now seeing that continuation with Bitcoin continue to hold. As you can see, we found support when we reclaimed the moving averages on the 1272. So for me right now, yes, we need to stay above 35k, which is the golden pocket, to keep those targets valid. But as we made a higher low and another higher low on the 1272, which you can see to the left was previous support, now at all costs to get this continuation to eventually break 38k up here, we need to see Bitcoin continuing to hold above our moving averages and the 1272. So if Bitcoin can continue to hold above, create higher lows and higher highs above $36,500, we're going to eventually see Bitcoin continuing to our 38, 39 and 40k targets up here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hope to see more of you joining the community. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. We're so very close to 7k followers. And also I've got a discount and that will last until the end of this month on my course, mentorship plans and ebook. If you want that discount, head over to the website. You'll find it there. Otherwise, private message me for the discount promo code on Twitter for the code and for more questions. Cheers, everyone. If any of you are interested in learning how to trade just like me, there's multiple options. Click this ebook. It covers all the strategies that I use in these YouTube updates, so you will have all the same skills. Covers the Japanese candlestick, chart patterns, support and resistance, why I use EMAs over trend lines, Fibonacci's, divergences, and again, using these all together to profit using them. I've also got a discount on my course at the moment, which ends at the end of this month. So that's down to £100. You also gain free access to my Discord community for the next 3 months, where you can expect to be a part of 12 to 24 group mentorship calls. If you want something that's a bit more personalized to your needs, then join my one-to-one mentorship plan. You can choose 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help, and included will be the 3 months free in the community, as well as my 6-hour long video course.